Okay, let's take a look at how you can use the Arduino serial monitor to help you troubleshoot and also to see how some of your sensors are functioning. To get started, we're going to add a few lines to our code. In our setup, we're going to add serial.begin and then enter the rate 9600 with a semicolon after that. That allows us to actually turn the monitor on. And then in the loop, we're going to add two lines, serial.println, and we're going to write LED on in one of those and LED off in the other. And what we should see when we turn the monitor on is that when the LED goes on, the words LED on print, and when the LED goes off, the words LED off print. Okay, now that we've made the adjustments we need to our sketch, we can go ahead and attach the Arduino, a very simple circuit attached to this with just a single LED in it. It's attached to pin 12. We'll upload the code. When it's finished uploading, you should see the LED on the board, on my board, or your board if you build a similar one, blink. And what we're going to do now is open that serial monitor using the menu on the left. And we can see now that those lines we put in there are telling us the behavior of the LED. So this can be really useful for reading values off of sensors like photoresistors or sound sensors. It can also be useful for troubleshooting code. You can add lines like this into code in clever places in order to see what behavior is going on when you're having some trouble with it. And we'll talk more about that in future projects.